In the quiet, quaint town of Willow Creek, an unsettling series of burglaries had cast a shadow over the otherwise peaceful community. The local police force, undeterred by the challenge, worked around the clock to nab the elusive thief. Yet, despite their best efforts, the criminal remained at large. When conventional methods proved ineffective, they turned to a unique and skilled ally, a search and rescue dog named Max, and his handler, Officer Sarah Collins. Max, a highly trained German shepherd with an exceptional nose for tracking, was renowned for his extraordinary abilities. Starting their investigation, Officer Collins and Max visited the crime scenes. Max's keen nose went to work, sniffing out the lingering scent of the thief. On a crisp autumn morning, Max's nose twitched with recognition at the latest crime scene. With Officer Collins in tow, Max led the way, his nose guiding them through the labyrinthine streets of Willow Creek. Their pursuit was relentless. Through winding back alleys and across verdant parks, they followed the scent trail. It led them to an abandoned warehouse on the town's outskirts. Max's alert body language signaled they were close to their quarry. Backup was summoned. As the area swarmed with fellow officers, Max led them to a forced entry point at the warehouse. With bated breath and heightened caution, they ventured inside, guided by Max's undeterred focus. In the dim warehouse interior, Max's nose led them through a maze of crates and storage units. They halted at a concealed corner where Max indicated the scent was strongest. The officers approached to find the thief cowering in the shadows. With surprise on their side, the officers promptly apprehended the criminal. News of the successful capture spread through Willow Creek, and relief washed over the community. Max and Officer Collins were hailed as local heroes, their teamwork and dedication to justice celebrated. In the end, the tale of Max's instrumental role in capturing the thief became a beacon of hope and resilience for the community. It stood as a testament to the powerful bond between law enforcement and their canine partners, proving that sometimes it takes a dog's nose to sniff out the truth.